Hello children, this month's topic is birds. So today we are going to learn about new bird. But before that we will do revision of some birds which teacher has already taught you. Children, tell me which bird is this? Yes, this is sparrow. This is sparrow and it is a small bird. Now tell me children, which bird is this? Yes, this is crow and crow is black in color. Crow is black in color. Now children, today we are going to learn about a new bird. Yes, its name is parrot. This is parrot. Repeat after me children. This is parrot. Parrot is green in color. Parrot is green in color. And it has red beak. It has red beak. It has a long tail. See children, it has a long tail. Parrot eats grains, guava and chilies. Bye children.